Hi, this is Mark from HO Skill Rail Productions. Today I'm going to show you off my drawings, but my different passenger train drawings. You may have seen my yesterday's video where I review my commuter trains that I really draw really well. But I'm going to show you off my Amtrak trains that I really draw for sometimes I used to draw them, but I'm going to show them off to you. Okay, first one is the old style Amtrak from the 1970s, late 1970s. I have a couple of F40PH units, EMD F40PH. I draw the baggage car, a couple of Superliner cars, which are like Coast Starlight cars. I colored it in crayon. I know how to draw trains. I started drawing trains. Up next, it's a newer style Amtrak. Why is it Amtrak Coast Starlight? I'm trying to last year I didn't do well drawing P42 DC units, GEP2 DC units, but they're Dash 8 units. Couple of them. I forgot it. I forgot to draw the horn. Actually, I did. I did draw the horn. It's really cool compared to this is the older one and this is the new one. Started early 2000s. Up next, the Amtrak Pacific Surfliner from California. Not in Washington, but from San Diego, California. Which I've seen Coaster Fan 2105's videos. Up next, which I seen at Sunnyside about maybe a couple of years ago, the Amtrak Cascades. I tried my best to draw the Talgo cars, but yeah, the end of it is so tiny. This is an F59 PHI locomotive. I learned how to draw. Oh, I dropped it. I'll pick it up. Up next is a different one, which is NPCU version of an Amtrak Cascades. And I drew the Talgo cars really good. Compare how I draw them differently. As you can tell, both the locomotives, NPCU, F59 PHI. Comment down below which Amtrak drawing you like. If you want me to draw a Siemens Charger, you want me to draw a P42 DC, comment down below and subscribe. That's it. This is Mark from HO Skill Rail Productions. Good luck.